What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I know I'm currently live, isn't it? I should be live right now. Okay, how you guys doing? And let me know where you guys are watching from before we start off. Okay. All right, cool. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are back and we are back. Let me know if you guys are on. Okay, cool. Got you. Can you guys hear me very well? Please confirm if you can hear me quite well, and then we should start off. Confirm if you can hear me well, okay? Just confirm you can hear me well, and then we shall start off straight away. Let me know if you guys can hear me very, very well, and then we shall start right away. Damn it, bro. Oh, and by the way, let me know where you guys are watching from, okay? Let me know where you are watching from. So we shall get straight into it, okay? Let me know where you guys are watching from. Let me know where you guys are watching from, and then we shall get straight into it, okay? All right, cool. Let me know where you guys are watching from. Let me know where you guys are watching from, and then we should start shortly. All right, I think we have all the lights now fully set. What's up, Beijing? I think that's much clearer. That's much clearer. We are back, like we never left. All right, cool. What's up? All right, got you. Someone from Geneva. Cool guy. Someone from Argentina. Are you serious? Okay. Tamale. Cool, got you, bro. Tamale got his funded account as I had promised, okay? And this is it, okay? So today is a Monday. Last Monday we weren't here. I took a break off, but we are back. And we are back in big energy, good mood, get paid, isn't it? And perfect. So first things first, I'm looking at buys on XAUUSD, okay? Took a trade earlier on in the morning, shared it in the VIP group, and I think I'm still in. Let me see. Let me quickly check. Oh, quite impressive, yeah? Quite impressive. About $800 in profit. So it's not as bad. It's not as bad. There you go, okay? But yeah. I think let's get straight into it, isn't it? Let's go straight into it. Please don't. Okay, I'm a beginner. Help me start. Just watch the beginner video that is on the channel. That does everything. It does every fucking thing. That's no question. Anyway, so this is how gold is currently looking. Let me just quickly show you my thought process, okay? So we shall just quickly go ahead and mark some of our most important levels, okay? Could have all this. Now this level here is being a very, very important. What's not happening? Look at that. What the hell? Okay. See, the price has come here multiple times and it's failed to break down, yeah? Remember that trend initially has been to the downside, which is quite clear. But then this level here is acting a very, rather as a very, very key support area. Why is this thing taking forever to react? See? Now that's something really, really important. But then more than that, if we look at the current price action, when you consider this movement in here itself, it's a bit of a consolidating market, but I don't want us to concern ourselves with that. I think what we need to look at most importantly is now what's happening. So we should mark out this swing high over here, and then we can also have this level down here, okay? Now the price has opened up with a gap which we shan't concern ourselves with today. I think this gap will be filled somewhere in the middle of the week, as it happened. Was it last week or the other week? I don't know. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we did leave a gap behind. Not our concern, but our biggest concern now is the price is going to come. The price is going to do this, okay? Looking for that high over there, okay? Let me go to H1. There you go. So this is how it's looking. Really beautiful reaction out of the zone. We've seen a couple of weak rejections right over here. So that's a good sign. And then let me quickly go over to M15. There you go. Whoa. There you go. So it's valid for us to go in for buys right now. So we shall go in for buys right over here. Then we can have our SL just slightly below. Shit. Let me do that again. Now I'm a bit skeptical because I noticed the TP. Okay, the TP should target this area here, okay? But there's also a possibility, again, from how we've drawn, the price could break out, yeah? And then now for our stop loss, let me see what to place our stop loss. Shit. Yeah, we can have our stop loss just slightly below this zone here. See this? I don't know why this thing is not really... Okay, there you go. So I'm thinking of having my SL just slightly below right over there. And then let's see what goes on. This stop loss is a bit huge. Can have it somewhere here. That would be a 1 to 2. But yeah, anyway, so we shall go ahead and buy XAUUSD, okay? So we shall buy gold, just to be specific. I'll copy this and share it in the Telegram. If you're not in the Telegram, please, you better join in, okay? I've attached a link in the description. Okay, I've attached a link in the description, so just go over and tap that. So XAUUSD buys. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me see what else. Yeah, so actually valid for entries right now. I think I'll just go over and scale in more entries. I'll scale in more entries on XAUUSD. Yeah. Then GJ should also be buying if gold is buying. Let's see. Oh, it's crazy, isn't it? GJ looks a bit weird, which is quite... I think still not bad. Now for GJ, we have come back to, again, look at that. This is a key level right over there. Okay. We've seen the price react off continuously, you see. We've seen some reaction, and now we should expect a similar reaction. So I think it's not bad to look for buys right out of that zone. But back to M15. There you go. Wow. So yeah, I think let's just hold buys on XAUUSD. Okay. My mic is low. I don't know why. Quite not sure. Can you guys hear me? Let me see. Back to M15. There you go. Yeah, I notice it's a bit low. Let me try where it's here. Mic test. Hold buys on X. Back to M15. Yeah, I notice it's a bit low. Let me try where it's here. Mic test. I think that's a bit better. That should be a bit better, is it? That should be a bit better. What else? So yeah, what I was saying is with GJ, we could also expect the same reaction out of this zone. Now, by the way, last week was like the hardest week I've had in a long time. I had a whole complete losing streak throughout. I think I only won trade, rather had a winning trade on Friday, you can imagine. So very, very difficult. But that's the thing with trading, you know. You can't quit because you had a losing day or a losing week. Just need to get down and restructure, look at what you're not doing right and kind of improve and type, you know. So yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, with GJ, I do believe we should see buys coming through shortly. So yeah. Let's see gold. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know your thoughts right in the comment. Let me know your your thoughts. Can you guys hit the like button, bro? Hit that like button. Just hit the like button. It's completely free. You don't pay anything. Just hit the like button, okay? So in the future, maybe within this week, I do have a strong feeling that gold will come back to fill this gap that it has left behind and maybe proceed back up. But that's not for today. That's not for today. Gold is selling. Go and sell it, bro. It's no problem. Just go sell it, okay? I mean, a sell, please sell. If you're selling, sell. I'm buying, okay? And that's what I'm standing on. Watching from Namibia. How you feeling, bro? Someone says buy GU. Let me see what GU is about. Pairs that I don't trade GU. H4. Bruv. You want to buy GU? I don't think it's a good idea. I highly doubt. I don't think it's a beautiful idea, my brother. My brother, I don't think this is a good idea now. You better lock in. Cause, nah, I don't think G is buying. That's for a fact. I actually feel like it's selling. I do not trade this pair, so I don't want to concern myself with it, okay? Back to my pair, gold. Yeah. Are you ready in? Yeah, I'm in for buys. I'm in for buys on XAUUSD. Someone says young boy. Can I sing for you? Maybe let me play my favorite NBA young boy song. Let me see. Let me see. NBA young boy. NBA young boy. Ha. Ha. Let me see. No, what do I play? Gold really swept me today. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry, man. Sorry that you got swept. What do I play? BTC. No idea, bro. I don't know what BTC has been on. H4. Wow. BTC seems to be buying, aiming for this high right here. Aiming for this high right over there, so that's a possibility. Do you listen to Kanye? No. Okay, sometimes. But I don't think you can't. Nah, bro. You guys have it, yeah? Let me go back to XAUUSD. Now, the guy who said I play Cassie Talk must be an OG NBA Youngboy, rather NBA Youngboy fan. Oh my days, bro. Cool stuff. I also do listen to his music, like really much. It's raining here. Is that Kampala or I don't know? You could build your own country but not Kenya. What does that mean? What does that mean, bro? So yeah, buy XAUUSD and then let's hold let's wait and see how the price does its thing, yeah? does its thing. Someone says one of these days we do live scalping. Maybe, by the way, that would be a sick idea. You make the money on spot or lose the money on spot. Cause you so my and I'll be all in. I've got loyalty now, my friends. Right now, man. Okay, listen. Someone says he's selling gold. If you want to sell, sell, okay? If you want to sell, just sell. I am buying, okay? I am buying, and that's me. You get my point. So you do as you get to see, you know, different traders see things differently. You know what I mean? Like, that's how it is. That's how it is, yeah? That's how it is. Okay. Wait, let me come. I don't know if this is allowed on YouTube, but let me come. I have some cash and I'm looking at doing a giveaway, yeah? I'm not sure if it's allowed on YouTube, but let me check. I'll check if it's allowed. And it's for entertainment purposes, please. YouTube, this is for entertainment purposes, okay? So I have some cash and I have an idea which I think is a really beautiful idea. So I have about $1,000, is it? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? So this is about $1,000, yeah? And I thought it's a beautiful idea to just track how my people are doing, yeah? So this is the challenge. I want you to watch the gold video, the gold strategy that I did previously, and then trade, okay? You can trade, I don't know, just trade normally, you get my point? And then upload. Oh, by the way, just for clarity, so I'm asked that you have to trade, but I want to see you analyze. You get my point? Now, analyze and upload that video on TikTok, yeah? Tag me, make sure you tag me, okay? And then the video that has the most views or the most engagement takes home $1,000, okay? There you go. You have it. And then more so, okay, more so, let me maybe tell you how it's all going to be done, yeah? About you recording your strategy, it doesn't have to be necessarily like, you know, on your phone. No, you could just use your phone to record your screen as you do the analysis, okay? And by the way, it doesn't matter whether you're in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, I'll send the money via USDT. If you're in Ghana, via USDT. If in Kenya, preferably, you'll also get a chance to meet me, okay? So that's the challenge. So go over to TikTok. I want you to analyze using the recent XAUUSD strategy, okay? The video that I did a few days ago. Now let me actually show you something. Whoa, shit, what am I doing? Analyze, okay? I want to see how good you guys are, okay? Upload that video on TikTok. Make sure you do tag me, okay? Do tag me, and then the video that has the most engagement, most likes, most comments, blah, blah, takes home $1,000. Okay, now you may count how much this is in your local currency, but this is some good money. This is some good money. Let me just quickly see if I can find the XAUUSD strategy video that I want to show you. Okay, I believe you guys now have it, is it? XAUUSD. If I say I feel, would you really listen? Cause you's all mine. And that be all in. Okay, cool. I have it. 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 Okay, let me show you some. What the hell, bro? Let me log in with another account. Sorry. Anyway, it's okay. The fuck, bruv. There are so many ads, bro. Okay, this is the video, okay? Watch this video, learn exactly how the strategy is, the strategy to be specific, okay? Then do a challenge, okay, of how this exact strategy is. You get my point? It's super simple, like really super simple. I just want to see if you guys really learn whenever I share, because some of you comment, oh, you know, it's tough, Mr. President. The question is, are you able to use these things practically? See, a lot of people say, oh, Vid, I want to see practicality. You get what I mean, okay? So that's it. Super simple. Just watch the video. Do a challenge, okay? Not a challenge. Do a video, okay? It could be by your phone, okay? You get my point. Let's say you're analyzing on your computer. Actually, that would be better. Or use your phone. You get my point. And then upload that thing on TikTok. Tag Vidollar, all right? Tag Vidollar. Let me see if I can show you what my thing is. TikTok. Tag Vidollar, and then the TikTok that has the most engagement takes home $1,000. What the hell is not going on here, bro? If I'm logged in, there you go. I think I'm logged in. This is my account here, okay? So tag real Vidollar, all right, on TikTok. You get my point? And then one last thing is you must be part of the Telegram, okay? That's challenge number 1. Now, challenge number 2, I'm also going to do more details about this on Telegram. Again, YouTube, please, this is for my community and for entertainment purposes. Now, the second challenge is the Traders Challenge. Now, this grouped into 3. Now, I'm going full margin on this. I'll have one winner who takes home $1,500, okay? Then another winner will take home $1,000, and then the last winner takes $500, okay? But I'm going to share that all the details about that giveaway right on Telegram. So yeah, I think I'm doing my job, bro. I think I'm doing my job as, you know, as the president, but then more importantly, you guys are part of this community, so I think I have to do what I have to do. You get my point? And no one does this shit, bro. No one does this stuff in the trading community. It's only Vidollar here, bro. No one does this shit, bro. Meantime, our trade is a bit of a drawdown, but I won't. I think I'll just wait and see what goes on. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, listen. Either way, someone says why engagement are not the right analysis. Oh, just for your own information, if the analysis is wrong and fucked up, you're not winning, okay? You're not winning. So the analysis should be right, but I also feel like if the analysis is right, that video will be the most viewed because people love quality. So if you're doing some quality shit, you've watched the video, you've learned exactly, you know. Yeah. So it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. So, Oh, someone says for the live challenge, for the whatever. You can even use a demo account for the TikTok challenge. It's no problem. Just analyze very clearly. Take a trade using the exact strategy. Tag me and then pretty much it. Okay, XAUUSD is doing this. I think I need to rethink a bit. Let me see if I draw here. Okay, anyway, if in any case this thing hits my SL, I'll wait for it to get back here and then I'll buy again. So no worries here. So yeah, Ian, you promised, oh my goodness, shit, must have gotten cooked. Please, what time frame are you using? M5 right now. Right now we're on the M5. Okay, you guys now have that, is it? You guys now have that. You guys now have that. What if it gets 1 million views? That's up to you, okay? All I said is I want the most, rather one with the most engagement, okay? So whether you do 5 and 1 pops out the best, it's up to you. Actually, if it has 1 million, then you even have a higher chance of winning, is it? Simon says, my guy, you should be selling. Bro, just sell. I'm not selling. I'm not going to sell. I'm not going to sell. Buy a Porsche. Maybe yes, maybe no. But we have an imbalance to fill below. This is not going to be filled today. If you're talking about this gap here, So as of now, maybe what we shall do is, if in any case my SL hit, I'm going to wait for the price to tap back onto the trend line, and then I'll buy again. That's it. What's the duration? So this is going to go on from today up to Friday, yeah? So it's a full week. From today up to Friday. Today up to Friday, we should have the winner. Thing is that, yeah, this challenge could be hard. I don't think it's that hard. All you need to do is to prove to me that you know the strategy, okay? I want to see that. Let me even give you a clue, okay? How I trade. Oh, right in this strategy, yeah? I have my trend very fast. I mark out my swing highs and lows, okay, as my key levels. Then I scale down. Super simple stuff, bro. Super simple stuff. So I just want to see the winner, bro. I want to see the winner. Just watch and digest this stuff in here, and then get back to me. I'll be every time, anytime, bro. Okay, thank God this thing is rejecting out of the zone, which is a good thing. So let's watch and see how we get paid. Let's watch and see how we get paid. Bro, you guys, I said this video here, go on the channel and check out for, is this the best gold trading strategy? You know what I mean? Like, this is it, bro. This is it. Just go watch that video. Proving is easy, but what to get views? No, just post your video, tag me, okay? And then indicate. Just in the, oh, okay, maybe another effective way that I can give you is add the word my XAUUSD challenge, okay? My XAUUSD challenge, and then make sure you do tag me. That's it. Actually, that would work. That would work. So you have it, yeah? So yeah, what else? What else? My account is gone. So sorry, bro. So sorry. Next time, ensure proper risk management. You don't want to go full margin in just a single trade. I always say ensure proper risk management. You won't survive if you can't do that, to be honest. You get my point? So that's a fundamental rule. Some of us do not have many. Bro, I didn't ask for you subscribe. No, I said just post the video, okay? That's simple. That's super simple. Do we show our faces? No need, bro. You don't have to show your face. I said just record your computer or your laptop, okay? But show me that you're able to analyze. You get my point? You don't have to show your face. But if you want to show your face, that's up to you. But you don't need to show your face, bro. You don't need to show your face. You get my point? So that's super simple. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to show your face. Stopped out. Why? Please let me post on Instagram. It's also, actually, IG is also good. IG is also good. I tried entering 2 times early. Sorry, man. I know this is random, but today's my birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, bro. You actually share birthday with my little brother. I don't know if Kato is in here. Happy birthday, bro. You guys should spam that guy happy birthday. He's part of our community. Just go ahead and spam him. Happy birthday. It's called Minor, is it? Happy birthday, bro. Just lock in. Do I need to talk in the video? How are you going to explain without talking? If there's any magical way you can do that, then that's no problem. But yeah, I want to see. I want to see. What's the challenge? I'm not going to go back. If you missed it, just watch the stream after. This guy has commented, bro, I've just blown my account, but happy birthday. Fuck. So sorry, Bandem. How about posting on IG? It's all good too. It's all good. Someone says gold is selling. Oh, I don't know. It's going to sell, but I'm going to buy. So I still have that locked in. So if the price hits my SL, I'll just have to go back and find a newer entry. Okay. But yeah, I'm super positive on this, and I'll hold, yeah. I'll hold and see what the price does. Okay. And then I also have a beautiful challenge. Now, this is for active traders, okay? This is not for people that have no capital. Oh, Daniel, I don't know. This is for people that actually have capital, but I'll share that on Telegram, okay? I'll share that on Telegram right after. So that's how it is. That's how it is, bro. Okay, cool. Let me see. Yeah. Your confidence in your trade is scary. Because that's it, bro. That's it. You have to be confident. Like, you just have to understand that that's it. And if you take a loss, well and good, you took a loss. If you took a win, that's it, you know. And then more importantly, you can only take decisions from how you really analyzed. That's why I don't want to take a trade because someone else said so. No, I want to see, does this really match with what my thought process is? And you know, so yeah. You never post the outcomes of your trades on YouTube. Are you on Telegram? Or you're just new here? When I take a loss, I post all that stuff on Telegram. Maybe I should have a trades channel, like specifically for trades. But if you're not on the Telegram, then that's it. SL is calling. I won't pick. I'll pick if it does. M5 used... now you can still always use the M15, but I now use the M5 just for entries. But you can still use the M15. This is how the M15 looks. And this is how the M5 looks. So any works. Okay, any that gives you a clear look into the market really perfectly works. That's the thing. Why use one lot size? Where is the one lot size? Do you see anything here? Tell Kato to do a YouTube channel. I don't know. And if he can. Vidollar, I'm no longer in the community group. Jonathan, what do you mean? We have an important level at 4084, 4084. Let me see, 4084. Oh, this here, yeah. Yeah, so look, we've seen the market opened up with a gap and it's been reacting out of this zone. I've also drawn a trend line over here. So what I said is the price is going to go up, but, okay, the price is going to go up, but sometime later within this week, it might come back to fill that gap and then maybe later go up. But we don't want to concern ourselves with that at the moment. We don't want to concern ourselves with that at the moment. So yeah, let's see how this thing does, honestly. I'll keep waiting to see. But use your strategy and pass the funded account. Let's go. I love hearing such stuff. If you do have some cool testimonial, then that's the stuff, bro. To be honest, that stuff motivates me. In a world of haters, bro, you guys do not understand my position, you know. Like, you have a shit ton of haters because they see you've done way better, you know what I mean? Like, there are people that are so older than me or quite older than me. Or there are also people that have tried doing exactly what I do and they failed terribly, like super, super terrible. And they now turn into haters. But I think from my understanding now, what I've really gotten to learn is you can only tell that you're moving ahead in life or you're performing better in life only if you do have haters. What the hell just happened? You guys get my point. So that's how it is, bro. That's how it is. So I have my SL hit. Fuck. And let me see. So I do have a new candlestick on the M15 coming up through anytime soon. So I'll just wait for an entry once again. So yeah, that's the thing, bro. That's the thing. So, you know, I just have to do that. You get my point. So yeah. This guy says I've been following this guy since birth. Damn, bro. It must be 5 years. Tamale, what's the progress with your funded account, by the way? That's what I want to know. First, tell me your progress with a funded account before we move on to the next one. This guy wrote this thing with a lot of anger issues. He says... Anyway, I'll let that be. Is 350 a good account balance? Yeah, it's good. For $350, use 0.01. Keep it that way. You shouldn't go more than that. 1 man down, I repeat. Damn, bro. Discipline is why you're still on top with buys. Yeah, I've been taken out. I've been stopped out. But as far as what I did see from the start, okay, I know the price is going to go up. So I'll just need to wait now for re-entry. which I really want to do while I'm still on this live. So I'll have to wait for an entry, and then that's it, bro. That's it. You know, I don't think it's. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Can I use SMC strategy? You choose. You choose. Bro, can you help me with the $100? No, I won't. I won't. I don't want, bro, I don't want to groom lazy people here, bro. Even the Bible says so. Go and work. No one gave me money, bro. Go and work. Go find money and then do stuff. I don't know, maybe it's just about your mentality. Like, you guys do think, bro, go and work. Go find money, bro. The money is there. The money is already printed. So go find the money and then come invest. You get my point? Okay, cool. How long did it take you to build a strategy? I think I've continuously changed. So started off with support and resistance, blah, blah, and then now I do demand and supply, which is a little bit modified to match my setting, yeah? How do you handle loss pressure? First things first is I now do understand. Bro, I've lost money. That's the thing, okay? I've lost money and I've taken losses. Now, I've come to a point where I do very, very and solidly understand from the bottom of my heart, and God knows this with my Bible, that losses are part of trading and you will have a losing trade. But as how you have a losing trade, you also have winning trades. You get my point? So, losing trades, okay. Can you forge your own how to feel the same way you'd feel if you lost a trade? Okay, you've won a trade. How do you feel? Oh, I feel this way. But then you've lost on a trade. How do you feel? You get my point? So the fundamental thing is to understand that losses are there and you'll take a loss. I've just taken a loss. What should I do? Do I cry? Oh, you know, it doesn't work. Now I just need to settle a bit down, you know, stay calm and collected and find a better trade. That's it. You get my point. So that's the reality of trading that no one really talks about. Why not follow the FVG on the H4? I feel like it's so huge that won't be hit anytime soon. Because I've seen gold do this a couple of times. I do feel like it's not going to fill the gap today. The price is going to go a bit up first before it comes back to fill that huge gap that was left behind. And then more so, look at that. The reaction out of this zone is really, really important. Okay, see this? So the reaction out of this zone is the most important thing, and that's what I'm leaning into the most, okay? So yeah, ideally, I'll just wait and see what... Oh, also remember, I've also drawn this small trend line down here because now since we've had some reactions, wow, we've had some reactions out of this trend line. So maybe if the price comes back down here, that's also a good entry. So yeah. Okay, what happened to the 250k account? I'm not trading that. I'm not trading that anymore. What's a risk management you'd use to flip? Keep it small. Keep it small, you know, 0.05 and scale. Maybe if you're like, I don't know, like crazy percentages up. We need a forex bulls branch in Entebbe. Great leaders do not predict the market, they prepare for it. Nice quote. You sounded like a philosopher. I like that. I like that. I love philosophers. That's cool stuff, bruv. Sounded like George Soros or Jeff Bezos. Oh my days, bro. Oh my goodness. So I was talking about this is funny, yeah, but like if you haven't had if you haven't had haters, then I think you better lock in with your life, bro, and do better. Cause bro, people are going to hate on you, most especially when you're moving forward, bro. You get? People are going to hate on you. What the hell? Okay, I think that makes a bit of sense. I see. Oh shit, that looks a bit weird. Okay. people are going to hate on you. So it's up to you to compose yourself and stay active, stay paid. But people only hate on you because they can't be you. You get my point? And like, it is what it is, bro. Like, oh, because I can't be this person, then. Bro, help me with a platform I make forex videos. Do I seem to be YouTube? Am I YouTube? Am I TikTok? Am I Instagram? I'm a person, bro. I'm a real person. Look at me. What are you saying? I offer you a platform. There's YouTube. But I'm not YouTube. You get my point? Stop asking me some funny questions, boys. Okay, do you trade crypto? No. Are we gonna have a Uganda expo? I don't know. Maybe. How much do you lose? Let me check. She said, Lily mama party girl, she just what I want to. Okay, right on this trade earlier on, it's 2,000. It's about $2,000. About, oh my goodness, about $2,000. Hold up. I have an exclusive student session coming up in 10 minutes at exactly 3. So I may not be able to stay for longer than 9 minutes from now, but I'll try stay in a bit longer and then move on to the student session. But yeah, your consistency and discipline, yeah, that's for a fact. Should that come to Rwanda again? Maybe. Things happen, or news coming up, I don't know. I had no idea actually. That's fun, isn't it? Fun and stupid in some sense. 23 minutes on the euro, then 38 minutes on the dollar. So watch and see. Man, I hate it that I have rather have lost a trade, but you realize you have nothing to do about it than to wait. You get? Realize you have nothing to do about it than to just wait. Please try fix some time and move back to Uganda. Maybe. Every loss is a lesson. Exactly. I love that. Oh my goodness. Someone here is speaking like Jeff Bezos, and I rather, who's that guy? He's the richest investor. Says, every loss is a lesson, which is true. Every win is proof that hard work pays off. Exactly. That's the energy, bro. That's the energy. So this is just a lesson to me. That's the thing. You get my point. So that's it, bro. That's it. Oh my good lord. Oh my good lord. Oh my good lord. Whoa. So I'm going to have a re-entry right at this trend line here. Okay. I'm going to have a buys re-entry at the trend line, targeting the same area or even higher. But then at this time around, I'll have a stop loss just below the trend line. Okay. That would be like a 1 to 3. So I think that's much better. With this, I would easily recover what I lost. So yeah, I'm going to have an entry right at the trend line. Trend line has been respected a couple of times. I might sell just slightly below and then wait for a trigger. Nice. Tamale is up 1% on his pro farm. Let's go. I love that. Just take it slow, bro. Don't rush, okay? Take it super slow. When are you coming to Zambia? I don't know, bro. What's the reason you lost this trade? Okay, as for this, maybe I entered too early. Yeah. From my understanding right now, I think I panicked to enter, and that's the only problem. I also came in a bit excited, you know. There's demand zone on the M15. Okay. Help me with physical class. How do you want me to help you with physical class? If you want to learn physically, go to the office, bro. Just go to our trading floor at Bombo Road Bible House in Kampala, and that's it. But you can't come here and say, help me with physical class. I don't get it, bro. What do you mean? How do I help you with physical class? What's the best broker to use for faster withdrawals? I'll still recommend Excellence, okay? By the way, go ahead and click the very second link to open up a trading account with my recommended broker. XN still has the best withdrawals and whatever deposit, whatever. It's still good. Okay, cool. Let me see. Have about 5 minutes here. What lessons did you get from the loss? Not to rush. Yeah, I think that's the key lesson that I have today. Just do not rush. Do not rush, do not rush, do not rush. Okay, what else? Let me see. All right, I'll just have to wait. Some of you guys do see me on a live session and then decide to call me. Like, what do you want me to do? Bruv, lock in. Okay. What else? Let me see. Okay. Someone says professional loser. Bro, I want to just be a bad guy today. I'll stay good, yeah? I'll stay good. But if I'm a professional loser, then you shouldn't be here in the first place. See? You made it here because I'm such a winner. I'm such a cool guy. So that's how you got here. You get my point. So it's just so stupid to say professional loser. That's so fucking stupid. Like really stupid, bro. You actually need to lock in. You can do better. You can do better, bro. You can do better with your trading. You can do better with your life. You can't be a stupid ass hater, you know, yet the other person is actually doing better than you. Lock in, bro. Lock in. You shouldn't even be here. Why are you here? Why are you here? Let's be honest. See, you're here because I got you here, bro. Stop playing, man. Anyway, oh my goodness. So yeah, so this is it. So I'm going to have a re-entry, okay, at this exact area. That's going to be and I see the price coming straight into that zone, so I'll wait for that. So I'll have a re-entry right at the trend line. Okay, let me just copy and share this. I'll just copy and share this over to Telegram, and then we shall wait on that. But we should get paid, and we should get paid actually. The next trade that we take will cover up the loss that we had earlier. That's for a fact. So let me just copy this and share it over to Telegram. Most of you guys, I don't know, man, but it's so funny. Like, you know, as you kind of grow, you start looking at life in a different sense, yeah. And that's why, like, bro, like, we in this world we just have winners or losers, yeah. So and oh, by the way, only actions can justify who you are. You get my point? And that's why I always stand on the on our slogan, yeah. Let's talk on more actions. So if you come here and say, oh, professional loser, okay, now show us the winner. You get, like, show us the winner, and show us by not just saying, but show us the actions. You know what I mean? Like, only actions justify who the hell you are. So anyway, you guys know what, so I'm going to stay I'm going to keep you guys posted and updated, okay? I'm going to have a entry anytime soon on this area once the price hits the trend line. I'll see you guys shortly. As of now, I have to step out. Actually, I have to be out of here. And keep it less talk and more action, but then more importantly, motion must be first. Again, I talked about that challenge. If you missed it, rewatch the session. I do have some cash to give away. I'll see you guys soon. Let's